compassionate towards the nature, if we are compassionate towards the society, if we are compassionate towards the phenomenon, and if we are compassionate towards the animal and every creature that exists on the earth, then we will care for it.
Today's Earth Day is not just kind of posters and the messages, but actually working it out. So let's work. Created by this NGO, WORK. Organization, which is uniting up, effort to unite up the religions, not to be divided, and also for knowledge. So,
भारत हिंदू तभी बन सकता है, इंडिया कैन बिकम ओनली हिंदू व्हेन वी आर एबल टू टीच द वर्ल्ड. द वर्ल्ड इज क्रेविंग फॉर रिलीजन. दुनिया की जरूरत है इस बात.
On the occasion of Earth Day, we have had the team of the NGO WORK in our midst, who are working on the theme of uniting all the religions and seeking the knowledge, because knowledge is at the base of everything.